Hi, welcome everybody to my channel and see the important problem. This is proposed by me 1 year ago, and I'm the solver, and this is the most amazing problem. See, this is the integral over root 1 plus x cube by root over 1 plus x cube by root over 1 plus x cube down to infinity. Let us assume that is y, this is 1 plus x cube under root again 1 plus x cube, okay, and now squaring of that y square, this is 1 plus x cube and root over of 1 plus x cube and root over of, okay, so 1 plus x cube by y again, okay, and then it is followed by y cube and 1 plus x cube, okay, implies that y is equal to cube root of 1 plus x cube. So see here, okay, say that is cube root of 1 plus x cube over x square dx. Let us assume 1 plus 1 by x cube is equal to z cube. So now see, differentiate 3 by x to the power 4 dx and 3 z square dz. Now dx by x square here, see dx by x square here, so that is x square z square dz, okay, including minus. Now again it is simplified by taking an LCM, and that is x cube and z cube. So this is cube root. This is cube root of x cube plus 1 is equal to xz, okay, and this is xz over x square dx by x square, and that will be minus x square and z square dz here, okay, minus x cube z cube dz, okay, minus x cube. So this is x cube here. So again simplify by 1 by x cube is equal to z cube minus 1. So x cube is equal to 1 by z cube minus 1. So that is z cube by z cube minus 1 dz. And that can be expressed as like minus z cube minus 1 plus 1 by z cube minus 1 dz. Okay. So that is equal to dz minus dz by z cube minus 1. So minus z minus dz by z cube minus 1, factorize this z minus 1 by z square plus z plus 1. Okay, now this is the partial fraction. This is the partial fraction. So now see here, integral, only integrand z minus 1 and z square plus z plus 1, okay, and that is equal to 1 by z minus 1, that is a by z minus 1, bz plus c, bz plus c by z square plus z plus 1, then followed by 1 is equal to a into z square plus z plus 1, okay, and plus bz plus c into z minus 1. Now putting z minus 1 equal to 0, since this is a factor, but from this factor we don't get any real solution, so only real solution for z equal to 1. then that is 1 is equal to 3a, and this is 0, so a is equal to 1/3. Now comparing the coefficient of z square, now comparing the coefficient of z square and constant. Okay, so coefficient of z square, that will be on the right hand side be 0 here, and left hand side be 0 here, right hand side be z square into a, and bz plus z is z square, that is b. So therefore b is equal to minus a, and value of a is 1/3. Okay, now for constant is here, right hand side is 1, left hand side is 1, and right hand side here is a, and this is minus c. So we take c is equal to c plus 1, c plus 1 is equal to a, c plus 1 is equal to a, then we want to find the value of c is equal to a minus 1. So a means that is 1/3 minus 1, and that is minus 2/3 here. Okay, now substitute in the form of that minus z, and that is equal to a by z minus 1, and b z plus c by z square plus z plus 1 and dz here. Okay, now minus z minus a means that is 1/3. 1/3 dz by z minus 1, that is ln minus 1, minus integral bz. b means here is minus 1/3, so that is minus 1/3 z, plus c means that is minus 2/3, c means that is minus 2/3. b here is minus, and c is here minus 2/3, so minus 2/3 here, and dz by z square plus z plus 1. Okay, minus z minus 1/3 ln z minus 1, taking common 1/3, and that is z plus 2 by z square plus z plus 1. Okay, and this is dz. So minus z minus 1/3 ln z minus 1 plus 1/3. If we differentiate this, we got 2z plus 1 here. So we have to write here, that is 1 by 6, 2z plus 4, that is 1 plus 3, and dz by z square plus z plus 1, minus z minus 1/3 ln z minus 1 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 2 2z plus, taking on 1/3. Okay, minus 1 is plus z plus 2, 1 by 2 2z plus 4, 2z plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so that is equal to 2z plus 1 dz by z square plus z plus 1, and that is 3 by 6 dz by, it can be expressed as that like that 1 by 2 whole square Z square plus 2zz plus 1 by 4. That is 1 minus 1 by 4. That will be 3 by 4. Z square z plus 1. Z square 2z half plus 1 by half whole square. That is 1 and minus 1 by 4. So that means 3 by 4. Okay. 3 by 2 whole square here. Okay. And now minus z minus 1/3 ln z minus 1 1 by 6, that is ln mod of z square plus z plus 1, and that is 1 by 2 1 by a 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2z plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus c, where z is equal to q root of 1 plus 1 by x cube. Okay, and this is the answer. Thank you very much everybody. Follow the video. Bye.